This is the Dream Sounds Wild West Video Jam. Quite a while ago, we tasked the musicians of the Dreamverse of coming up with a whole bunch of original tracks that were based on the theme of Wild West, and they came up with these amazing songs here. We've now tasked the animators and visual makers of Dreams of coming up with videos to go with some of those songs, and we've received these submissions here, and I'm super excited to dive into them. We will start off with a submission from Bohala, which is called West. It is of course a remix of West by Retsam Mitmai and Bohala. Thank you for entering the jam. Super excited to check this out. Here we go. That is amazing. That is a wonderful video, Wahala, and it's really cool that upon the ending loop of the Retsa Mit My song, you introduced your own remix of it as well. It's really cool. And I guess we can consider your remix of West by Retsa Mit My a late entry to the Wild West Jam, right? First thumb up, there we go. I mean, that's going in there as a bit of music, right? There we go, that's a late entry to the Wild West Jam as well, a remix of West from Roots Live from Bohala. Bohala, thank you for entering both of the Dream Sounds Wild West Jams. Incredible, amazing stuff, wonderful video. I know I'll be watching it again, as we all will. Great tune, great music. Thank you. We now move on to a submission from Nico9. This is What Is Left Behind. And just before we dive into this, I want to give a shout out to a video that you're probably all already familiar with, but it's made by the dreamer Punch a Pixel. and it features music from Minipo 9 that was made for a Dream Sounds jam. Here we go. And this came out in the last week, and it's really nice. It features music from the Dream Sounds jam, and it's a really nice video. And this person is low level, and it's only their second dream as well, which I think is really great to see. But anyway, we do now move on to Aneep's submission to tonight's video jam. And Aneep, thank you for entering the jam. This uses a catchy tune by Lugadi, a gorgeous scene by Arslaven, an impressive cabin by Doctor Who Data, and an emotive old man by Tildoff. Hey Aneep, thanks for entering the jam. I'm super excited to check out this emotive old man. Let's go. Amazing. Again, a really perfect, like quite emotional and reflective scene for Minipo 9 there. Recently they also made this, which was not for a video jam, it was just, you know, just made for fun, and that's cool. Using music by Dead Meat featuring the same character, and it's also really emotive and quite reflective. And it makes you think about various things and about the character's journey and story. It's really cool. Great job, thank you for entering the jam. And now, unless there's something hiding in my notifications that I'm unaware of, and if so, please do speak up now. We move on to what is the final submission of this jam, which is from Tricobalt, and this is using music by Kimirake, and they just want you to pull up a bar stool and let them tell you a tale of redemption and railways. And I'm super excited to check this out. Tricobalt, thank you for entering the jam. This song is a really special song that was made for the Wild West Jam, and I'm really excited to check out this video. Tricobalt, thank you very much. Yeah, strap in everyone, here we go, here we go.
Left home just as Sprout decided to grasp my fate. My mama, she called after me, oh, best not be home too late. She wasn't to know I wasn't returning home. I opted not to go free roaming to the wilds in the first train I see became the first new digs for me. Turned my hand from the sun, not a penny to my name. A crook and a thief became of me, took on a brand new name. Met a fella, said he'd line my palm with gold, told that I'd be his only, going forth by the rails. what he'd sown in the city up north. Over hills and through the valleys, steaming through, he sidled up to every unsuspecting lady. He took more than jewelry, petty thievery, don't beg cover. What a no-good, dirty, rotten scoundrel never could have done the stole from me. See now, folks, this is where the story gets a little more interesting. So keep your ears peeled, you hear? Oh, money wasn't enough, my good sir, so craved his fame. Planned the greatest heist yet to win over his acclaim. The red buffalo, the train I once called home, soon to be barreling forward. Down the tracks it was gonna be ours, no regrets, no turning back. The sunny day had come, the plan was said and done. He sidled up to me, another lass's heart he won. I wasn't for him, he said, soon after. Found himself begging for mercy as he lay in the way of the buffalo, stampeding it over him and all his lies. Papers reported, named his man ran over by the steam train. I reclaim my jewelry, ain't no thievery in taking the heart from a no good, dirty, rotten scoundrel who don't cross me. All the fame and all his money, the greatest ever train heist in the South, got some notoriety. I turn to the silent, make your shoulders, I tell my tale, never cross a no good, dirty, rotten scoundrel unless you want it. Over hills and through the valleys, steaming through, he'll sidle up to every unsuspecting lady. He'll take more than jewelry, petty thievery, and broken hearts is what you'll find in no good, dirty, rotten scoundrel lover could have stole from me.
That is just exceptional, isn't it? As always from Tricobal, every single week they enter these jams and they blow us away with their visual storytelling and their animations and their dedication and their craft. And thank you for entering the jam week in, week out. Amazing. Very soon we're going to have to move on to like a vote for the next jam, but I feel like it's appropriate to play another submission to a previous jam from Tricobal just before we do. It's kind of linked. You'll notice there's like all these Western sort of places are coming together, and I'm excited to see what comes in the future. And Tricobal, thank you for entering the jam, and let's just have another video featuring that character from that song there.
Oh, you want my bass, huh? Come here, let's see who gets it. Want my bass, huh?
Yeah, incredible. We're just going to play one last quick one because I did just have to go and have a quick little hydrate. And it comes again. In fact, you know what? No, we're going to play this because this is massive G's, massive shout out everyone involved in this. This is the rebirth of the legend that is Orion B. Alright, we've got the credits as well. These were added in an update. I often forget about them. Let's go, yeah? Boat time with an MNC video jam. Big it up with the crew, yeah? Come on. There we go. Amazing. Right, now we're going to publish this collection. Well, I'll check notifications before I do, but I do believe that was the end of the jam. Yeah, that was the end of the jam. Let's go. Let's publish this collection and then let's move on to a vote for the new one. Also, this has a new edition, so let's publish this, but let's not publish it after publishing the other one, because we want the other one to appear on our page first. So there we go.